Hello everyone, welcome to Current Affairs today. In this video, we are going to discuss the top 15 MCQs of 12th of July. But before we begin, quiz. Which state has elephant as its national animal? Reserve Bank of India has cancelled the license of United Cooperative Bank's license. And this bank is based in which state? Which space agency and Axiom Space has signed an agreement to send private astronauts to International Space Station in 2022. 2021 AIBA Men's World Boxing Championship will be held in which country? Who has been conferred the World Food Prize 2021? Union Cabinet has approved an MOU between Institute of Chartered Accountant of India and Financial Center Authority of which country? The police of which state has launched COVID Van helpline for senior citizens in this COVID-19? Mukhyamantri Jan Kalyan Sambal scheme is a scheme of which state? Reserve Bank of India will provide a liquidity facility of how much rupees for emergency medical services for the period of 3 years. Which state has launched free Swasth Ahar Yojana for corona patients, and this is a scheme on healthy food scheme. Which state has been launched this scheme? So let's discuss our today's current affairs, and these are some of the quiz questions from the month of May. So Karnataka, Kerala, Jharkhand has an elephant as its national animal. Reserve Bank of India has cancelled the license of United Cooperative Bank, which is based in West Bengal. Which space agency is it? It is NASA. NASA. And AIBA Men's World Boxing Championship to be held in Serbia. And World Food Prize has been conferred to Shakuntala Harak Singh. Union Cabinet has approved an MOU between Institute of Chartered Accountant of India with Qatar. And which police? This is Delhi Police. Delhi Police has launched COVID Van helpline. Mukhyamantri Jan Kalyan Sambal scheme is a scheme by Madhya Pradesh government. RBI has facilitated 50,000 crore. Free Swasth Ahar Yojana is a Yojana from Madhya Pradesh. So let's discuss our today's current affairs. So who has been appointed as the acting CEO of ICC? So the International Cricket Council, which is based in Dubai, and he is Geoff Elandrick has been appointed as the CEO of ICC, CEO of International Cricket Council. And earlier the CEO was Manu Sahani, if you know. And this person, he's from Australia. He's Australian. And who is India's ambassador to Australia? Manpreet Vora is India's ambassador to Australia. And who is the chairman? Chairman of ICC? Chairman is Greg Barclay from New Zealand. The government has brought the Department of Public Enterprises under which ministry? So earlier this department was with Heavy Industries Ministry, which is a Heavy Industries and Public under enterprises. And but now this ministry has been shifted to Ministry of Finance, headed by Nirmala Sitharaman. And with this department, Ministry of Finance has six departments now. Has six departments, and earlier uh, this department was with heavy industries and public enterprises. Who's the minister? He is Mahendranath Pandey. Mahendra Nath Pandey, whose constituency is Chandoli. India's longest Ganga Express is set to be commenced by September 2021. What is the length of this expressway? So this expressway has its length 594, which is in Uttar Pradesh, and this expressway will connect Meerut with Prayagraj. Meerut with Prayagraj, and it will connect 12 districts, which will cost around 36,000 crore, and this expressway will connect 12 districts, and it will connect Meerut with Prayagraj. And excluding this, we have Bundelkhand Expressway. One more is there. Ganga Expressway is there, and something Bundelkhand. There are total three projects in Uttar Pradesh. Total three. Okay. And who is the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh? Yogi Adityanath. And who is the Governor? Anandiben Patel. Yamuna Expressway, yes, one more. Yamuna Expressway, this is the first. Bundelkhand Expressway, second, and this is the Ganga Expressway. The first digital Kendra of e-commerce giant Amazon was inaugurated in which city? So it has been inaugurated in Surat, and which is a diamond city of India, and it is on the bank of Tapi River. This also should remember, on the bank of Tapi River. Mekedatu Reservoir project seen in news is a project of which river? So this is a project of Kaveri River. It is a project from Kaveri River, and it flows through Karnataka, Kerala, Telangana. So Mekedatu Reservoir project is a proposed to be built on Kaveri River. Which district of Kerala has launched an initiative called Books at Doorstep to review reading habits among the school children? So this has been launched in Ernakulam district of Kerala. Who is the Chief Minister of Kerala? Pinarayi Vijayan is the Chief Minister, and it has been launched in Ernakulam district. Due to this COVID-19, students cannot go to library now, but now library will come to your home. Library will come to your doorstep. This initiative has been launched by Kerala government. Which country has launched the meteorological satellite called Fangyun 3? Fangyun 3 is a satellite from China. It has been launched by China. Excluding this, they have Haiyang 2D and Yogan 34 Yagan 34, and their Mars mission is Tianwen 1, and their rover name is Zhurong rover name, which is called Firebird. So you must remember these satellites from China. Capital Beijing. Capital is Beijing. The defense minister has implemented which system for automation of sanction and disbursement of defense pensions? So this is Sparsh. Who is the defense minister? Rajnath Singh. Rajnath Singh is our defense minister, and he has implemented this scheme, this system of automation called Sparsh, and it has a full form: system for pension, system for pension administration Raksha, and defense minister has established this two center of excellence by border road organizations called Chorus, COERSA, Corsa, and there is one more, it is called Corbett, CORBAT, Corbett. Defense Minister established two center of excellence with uh, border road organizations, and they are Corpus and Corbett. And also they have launched Sehat OPD also. Sehat OPD, eChhavni, and Shorevan magazine also. Shorevan magazine, Srijan portal. Don't forget this. Srijan portal, very important. Was launched by Defense Minister Rajnath Singh. Which social media platform has launched the newsletter product called Bulletin? So this is Facebook. Facebook has launched this newsletter called Bulletin, and Facebook has launched the Tech Scholars in India. Facebook has launched Tech Scholars in India for law students. For law students, and Facebook has partnered with Economist Intelligent Unit, launched an index called Inclusive Internet Index, in which India's rank is 49. Inclusive Internet Index, India's rank is 49, in which Sweden has topped. Bonalo festival, which starts on 11th of July in Telangana, is observed in which month of Hindu calendar? So this festival is going to be observed in Telangana in Ashadhi month of Hindu temple, which will be on July 11, which will be around on the month of in July. And Telangana, if we talk about Telangana, they celebrate their statute day on 2nd of June, which has been established in 2014, which was their 8th statute day. There is one scheme called Raitu Vedika, Mission Bhagirath. In Ramagundam, NTPC is going to set up 100 megawatt solar power plant in Ramagundam. NTPC is going to set up 100 megawatt floating solar power plant. Floating solar power plant is going to be set up in Telangana, so Ramagundam. Who is the Chief Minister? KCR. And Tamilisai Soundararajan is the governor. Which commercial company has eliminated all single use of plastic packaging used across its fulfillment centers in India? So it is Flipkart. Flipkart has eliminated all single use plastic packing across its fulfillment. And Kalyan Krishnamurthy is the CEO. Kalyan Krishnamurthy is the CEO of Flipkart, and Flipkart recently has partnered with Telangana government for medicines from the sky, project. Who has become the first African American to win 2021 Scripps National Spelling Bee. So this has been won by Zaila Avant Gorde. Zaila Avant Gorde has become the first Indian African American to win 2021 Scripps National Spelling Bee. Competition Commission of India (CCI) has signed an agreement MOU with Fair Trade Commission of which country to strengthen cooperation in the matter of comprehension law and policy. Comprehension law and policy. So this has been partnered with Japan. With Japan, Tokyo is the capital, and Yoshihide Suga is the prime minister. Yoshihide Suga, and Tokyo, it will going to be host Olympic Games 2021. Olympic Games 2021. Who is the author of the book Operation Kukri? Operation Kukri. This book has been written by Rajpal Punia. Rajpal Punia has written this book Operation Kukri. Who has become the first? So this is over. This question is repeated. Okay. So these were the current affairs of 12th of July. I will see you on 30th of July.